Hey dudes, it's your boy Andy here. Welcome to my EAS throwback vlog. Let's open this up with an EAS alarm and beep.
It's happening.
So, the emergency alert system. For me, I got used to it over time. Well, EAS, or commonly known as the Emergency Alert System, was implemented back in January 1st, 1997, preceding successing the Emergency Broadcast System and succeeding Colorado as well too. For me, I became a fan of the emergency alert system, especially on YouTube. I've seen countless simulations, activations, and scenarios based on movies, video games, you name it. And for me, the first time I heard that emergency alert system tone, I was living with, I was, I think it was like 1 or 2 at the time. Me, mom, and dad were living in Marietta, close to the tracks. Well, when I heard those sirens, means it could only be danger. It was a tornado, and I saw a black screen with the emergency alert system tone and scrawling letters on the top. Well, I was I was scared, and to think, I got used to it over time. Well, during strong storms, over the course of my life, I was with my mom. Yeah, over time, strong storms, tornado warnings, and those are just possible tornadoes. And I've seen, I've seen that scrolling banner many times in my life, except for November 9th, 2011. It was like a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. Well, on YouTube, I've seen this clip. I've seen this clip of an episode of the Very Loud Parents, and after that, they did the National Emergency Alert System test. The same thing happened. It was like I think it was in. Hold on. If I if seriously, if I can look it up. See if seriously if I can look it up. Seriously if I can. Seriously if hold on, dude. It'll take me some time. Let's see here. Nope. 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 So I made ES videos, but I recorded it from my camera right there and upload to YouTube. So this was the emergency alert system test number 1. Well, I made, well, way back when I first started, I think it was like back in June of 2015 or May 2016, I wasn't sure. Plus I filmed the nationwide test. This was back in September. And Air TV across America, I think it has something to do with Obama. Because New World Order business and it's government control of the media. Plus I've seen a video on the Alex Jones channel. It was about the emergency alert system. Well, Executive Order 2009-95 allows the government to seize control of the communication media. And there's another one. Hold on, I gotta give me a sec. And here's another one. Just right here. Yeah, this was back in 2015. Yeah, that was back in 2015. 392 hits. Seriously, it was a monthly test. No, serious. Yeah, weekly, monthly tests. Yeah, plus, well, I knew this by memory. I think every single Wednesday of first Wednesday of each month, they test the warning weather sirens to make sure that they're working properly. And I wasn't born during the emergency broadcasting system's implication, or during that time. And I've seen a training video about the emergency broadcast system in North Carolina. Well, it's up on YouTube. Seriously, let's look about after. Plus, I haven't seen any EAS tests since then. But the one thing that freaked me out was that the alert tone. That kind of scared the crap out of me too. Plus, I've seen this Conrad activation simulation. Was during Operation Alert 1962, and to me, that was the best simulation I've ever seen. Well, I was during the Cuban Missile Crisis. Well, Conrad, or Control for Electromagnetic Radiation, was implemented in 1951 by Harry S. Truman. And for its 51-61, for its 12-year run, it provides vital civil defense information. Well, I've seen this episode of Oddity Archives talks about the emergency broadcast system itself, along with Conrad. Plus, because it's a good thing I don't live in Tornado Alley. Plus, I've seen Jim Cantor stories on the Weather Channel back in the day. Well, it talked about the 2008 Atlanta tornado. And I was outside of Atlanta. Well, I live in the suburbs. Well, thank God I wasn't close to it. I think it was like 7 years old. I think it was 8 years old when that happened. And I remember stuff quite well too. And since then, I haven't seen no EAS activations or nothing. Well, on the bottom of the weather channel, when there is a weather warning, you can see this red bar with some scrolling letters that this is a tornado warning. But I've seen it on NBC TV during Wheel of Fortune. Plus, it's like a different thing, and it showed the counties that are affected by that. Yeah, right now it's it's cloudy outside. Plus, seriously, I don't own a weather radio. Seriously, if I did, that'll be too soon for me. So to end this out, well, in the beginning of it, to end this out, did like to, hold on. Well, this is a clip from my video.
EAS Emergency Alert System. Hey, it was recorded by Gma.
Yeah, GMA or Georgia Emergency Management Agency. So this concludes our test of the emergency alert system. If there's been an actual emergency, this has been a test of the emergency alert system. If this was an actual emergency, the sound you just heard will be. Let's see, what was it? This has been a test of the emergency alert system. If this has been an actual emergency, the sound you just heard will give you vital information about the warning or watch in your area. Thank you. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more vlogs. Like, comment, turn notifications, keep it awesome. Follow me on Twitter and the announcement. Comment down below if you're scared by the emergency alert system as well too. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out, my dudes.